Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Spring Boot artifact and a minimal Docker file so you can reproduce builds reliably. First, run mvn clean package or Gradle boot jar to produce a runnable fat jar. This ensures dependencies are bundled. Next, pick a base image like OpenJDK Slim to reduce size and improve startup. Once done, create a Docker file that copies the jar, declares an ARG for the jar name, sets env for Java ops, exposes the app port, and defines entry point to run Java jar. You now build and verify the image. Run docker buildarg jar name equals target/app, jar tmyapp 1, 0, to produce a tag you can push later, tagging tracks versions. To optimize, use a multi-stage Docker file so build tools stay out of the final image, reducing attack surface and size. Once the image finishes, run docker run p8080 myapp 1, 0 and curl the health or /actuator endpoint to confirm the app started, and ports map correctly. You finish by pushing and automating deployment. Authenticate with Docker login, then docker tag myapp 1, 0 registry/myapp 1, 0 and docker push to publish. Make sure CI runs build, tests, and image scans before push. This keeps releases reliable. If things go wrong, inspect container logs with Docker logs, verify environment variables and port mappings, and confirm the entry point command and jar name are correct. One key tip: if the container exits immediately, run it interactively or check Java errors for
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.